Hi there, and thanks for joining. My name is Per, and today I'd like to show you how to connect your observability tools with All Quiet. To connect your observability stack and send incidents to the All Quiet platform, go to the web app and select the Inbound Integrations tab. Next, click on Create. First and foremost, we gotta give our integration a nice display name. Then, we have to select the integration's root team. This team is the team that will receive payloads and incidents from the integration. Last but not least, we have to select the integration type. You can select from a vast range of different pre-configured integrations, such as Datadog or AWS CloudWatch. Alternatively, you can select our inbound webhook integration to connect with almost any tool you'd like. After successfully setting up your integration, you're forwarded to the settings page. This page is important for two reasons. First of all, for each integration, there is a step-by-step guide linked on this page that will help you to set up the integration and send incidents within minutes. Secondly, you will find your unique webhook URL on this page. This URL can be used to send HTTP requests of any kind to the platform. The easiest way to test this webhook URL is by copying it and pasting it into your web browser. As you can see, the GET request created an incident already. If you want to dig a bit deeper, you can go to the Payload Mapping tab. This tab shows the latest payloads on top of the page. This is actually the one we just sent via the browser. If you want to, you can inspect the payload and see all details of the HTTP request. Then you can look into our payload mapping and see how the payload is mapped against an All Quiet incident, which is visible at the bottom of the page. If you want to learn more about payload mapping, check out one of our next videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.